What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some easy DIY shelving. You can do this in your garage like I'm doing, or if you had an office space, anywhere you just need some extra storage, easy storage, maybe a bedroom or a closet. Alright, well, let me show you guys how to do it. So first thing I did was go ahead and I marked all 4 of the studs where each one is. Where I'm going to be putting the brackets, and you can use a stud finder or like a finishing nail and hammer just to see where, and then they're going to be either 16 or 24 on center. I've got those all marked out. Now you can either put your bracket like this with the long arm down, say if you had some really heavy things and you didn't need the shelf too deep, but I'm going to be installing it like this, how most people do it. So from the wall to the end of the bracket's 13 5/8, so that's the size of the shelf I'm going to be doing. You could overhang it probably about 2 to 3 inches if you needed some more space, but just be careful on how much weight you're going to be putting up. So I'm using 1-inch plywood because it's what I got laying around, but if you've got, you know, 1/2 inch or 3/4, that's plenty. So the length of the shelf is going to be 48 inches for mine because I got the 4 studs I'm doing the brackets on. Mark our line. Alright, now making sure to check that it's level, we're going to go ahead and pre-drill and screw in some 3-inch wood screws. There we go. Alright, now when moving on to the next bracket, you're going to want to check your level to the first one you leveled and make sure it's level before you screw it all the way in. Alright, so I got all 4 brackets up, and apparently, due to my miscalculations, since these screws go on, you know, either side, the shelf is actually going to have to be a little longer than 48, and that's all I had in plywood, so I'm going to have to use some of the heavy-duty MDF I've got. So you should have at least about a 50-inch length. Alright, now we're going to pre-drill all of these bottom holes and screw them in. There we go. Alright, so I just finished up the last one and put a couple things up there. So it looks pretty good. Alright guys, and that's how to make some easy garage shelving. You could use actually the shelving anywhere in your office, house, wherever. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos. I've got a lot of other projects like this, so take a look. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.